It's Friday.
Hauling this shit down an elevator. It's a lot of work. The bean. Almost there. And can I also get a vanilla dip donut, please? Go Raptors! Yeah! Woo! Yo, if you ever want your cards read, hit me up. Hey. KTB. Trav. Gonna learn a new song today. The tools are out. Trav made this. Holy shit, bro. So sick. Oh my god. Unreal. The sock game. Roll them down, people. It's so hard. It's so hot out. It's like 30 degrees, by the way. It's a little worm.
It's a worm in the clouds.
Worm in the clouds, bro. Is so right. That's... Oh my god, no way! The little dog laughed. First time rehearsing a new song. Did it again. I know I shouldn't, but it's just so good. Oh, this song's about Tinder. What am I supposed to do? Why can't it be easy? Like when we first might just like it. To just for a second, then back to it. Just for a second. I want to take a second to just show you how big this nug is. Shit, yo, like, look how big this thing is. It's one big nug. About to give KTB a reading using this new Animal Totem Tarot deck.